Well, as you can see from this image, we are about to be hit by the remnants of a hurricane, which has whipped across the Atlantic Ocean over the last few days. I don't think it's going to be so much wind that we've got a problem with, but it's going to be rain. So it's just before 8 o'clock in the morning. Garden is looking fairly, well, just beginning to look a little bit autumnal. Let's just check and see what the rain gauge says so far. Not too much rain up to now this week. And I'll check again a bit later after it's passed through, probably around the middle of the day. I was going to go on a bike run today, but it was going to get me way too wet before I even start. So I'm not doing it, but I am going to go along to the local jail where Rod says he's got coffee arranged, can you believe? I did ask him if he was going to cancel the run. He said it would be more difficult to cancel than to run it. So I expect to see a load of bedraggled elderly gentlemen a bit later on. Yes, it was certainly a good idea not to ride down to Bristol on the Triumph.
Really boring, I know. Go on. Well, actually, two things.
Well, there seems to be some hiatus in the rainfall. Let's just have a look and see what we got today then. Not that much really by the look of it. Well, probably got just over half an inch, that's all. Anyway, garden's looking a little bit bedraggled, well watered.